Hello guys, this video today is featuring how to fix wipe data factory reset option not available. After updating, some of the Samsung phones came without the wipe data factory reset option, and we're going to fix that today. And you will need a pen and a book. You need a pen and a book and maybe another phone or a laptop or a PC or even a desktop. Then go to the recovery mode. As you can see, there's no wipe data factory reset option, but instead copy this number down, A037FXXU, that one, the third one. Go and write it down and make sure you write what is written there. It should be exact same. Start with A037FXXUI AVC1. This is one of the things that we really need. This is essential. It's very crucial. Without this, you won't be able to factory reset your phone. And the second thing that we need is the IMEI number. The IMEI number is a must. Then go and connect to any Wi-Fi network or mobile data. You can turn on either. Then what you need to do is go to Chrome. Go and open Chrome either on your phone or PC. Go and open Chrome and type in the following website: www.samfmw.com www.samfw.com. Then click on search and you'll come to this web page. Which says search either by model number or IMEI number. You can enter the phone code or just go and click check by IMEI. Go and click on check on IMEI number. Then scroll a little bit. Then you'll have option to write down your IMEI number. Go and write the IMEI number. You might encounter some ads on this website, but that's not the main reason. Just write down the IMEI number and make sure you write the correct IMEI number. The IMEI number that is on the phone, make sure it's the same. The IMEI number should match. Then click on check. And then you'll come to this web page. It will tell you all the details of your phone and even the binary that you need to download. As you can see, it's the same phone. You can even check the release date. It was on 2021 August. And here you'll find your country. Make sure you also select your country, or else you'll select a different thing, totally different thing, and it won't work. Then go and scroll, just scroll slowly, just scroll until you will find here the full files. Now remember the number I told you to write down. You need to confirm they match the version. As you can see, mine is A03 ending with VC1, which is not this one. It's not this one, and it's not even this one, not even that one, and here we found it. And as you can see, there's AVC1 and AV1 down below, so select the one that matches with your phone. This is the most crucial part. Then click on the one that you have selected. Click on full files. And after a few seconds you'll come to this page. Just scroll down until you find a place says download. You can download either on website, but it's not available mobile, so just click on download from the server. And as you can see, once you click there, there's an option down below which says download. There's an option down here saying download, direct or either download. Click on download here on Chrome, and then just close the pop-up, and then just swipe down and click download if it did not pick the first one. And once you click on download, you'll come to this page, and as you can see down here it says downloading files. When I go and click on details, as you can see the total is 4 GB and it will take about 14 minutes to download. So after downloading, go to your PC and open Muslim Odin. Go on to your PC and open Muslim Odin. As you can see, these are the files I've downloaded: the CP, CSC, Home, BL. These were the ones that we needed. Then go and open Muslim Odin. The Muslim Odin is the downgrader or the upgrader. And once you hit on Odin, you go and accept to make changes to your computer. It won't harm your computer. It's virus free, totally virus free. Then you need to read the following prompt. Please be sure to delete your Google account, Samsung account, not the actual Google account, the Samsung account, before downloading the binary. If not possible, use the device without unlocking. Changing the partition without unlocking will cause problems. Then please make sure to download the appropriate binary and version of your model. The appropriate and version of your model, they should match. That is a very, very crucial part, or else it will not work. Then if you have read the cautions, the prompt, let's go ahead and click on OK. You don't have any Samsung account on this phone. Then go and select either BL, CP, CSC. For now, I'll go with, at first, very first thing, go to download mode by pressing both volume up buttons, both volume up and down buttons, and then insert a cable, and you'll come to download mode. And therefore, as you can see, the volume up to continue, volume down to cancel, and side key to swipe left. And here we are. The KG status is locked, FRP lock is on, OEM lock is also on. So what you need to do is go back to this tool, the Odin, and then select BL. Let's start with BL. I'll select BL. Then it will open a folder for you where you had saved the binary. Then I'm going to select BL, then click on open. Then I'm going to select CSC, then go and find the CSC. Down, just scroll till I found the CSC for A037F. I'll select it, then open. I'll select the CSC, then I'll open. It will take a few seconds to import. Then we're going to select the CSC. You just need to be a little bit more patient. Then once you hit on start, you'll get your phone downloading. Your phone will start downloading. After clicking on start, it will take a long time until it gets to a full bar. And after a very 1 good hour, after 1 hour, this is still the phone. It has finished installing the binary. Then I'll turn it on. Just click on turn on. Then it will take a little bit longer to boot. Just be patient. It will take a little longer. Just need to be patient. Just need to be patient. Just need to be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. then starting Android, and starting Android. Boom, welcome. The phone has been factory reset to factory settings. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.